Northerners should support Igbo exit from Nigeria and stop begging and forcing the unity of Ndigbo. My people, you don't finally read though. This video have been flying from internet for a very long time now, and today we decided to bring and come talk one thing put for this video. They say one northern girl don't come outside. The contour say made Nigeria and other tribes has stopped begging for Ndigbo to remain in Nigeria, but rather let them support the exit of Ndigbo. So he referring to Biafrans. This agenda that this girl bring up is a very good one for us. So, madam, if you can tell your northern fathers and northern brothers for them to support this particular move, it will be a great opportunity for us. So I want you to watch this video and hear the reply where this our brother give him before we go come back and continue. If we went ahead and said that Igbos are not contributing anything for inside Nigeria, now only business, and which means they can do the business as well. Watch the video.
Biafrans want to go, Biafrans wants to go. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Have 5 of your states in this country. Lead by example. Leave those shops of yours, leave those buildings of yours, go back to your state and start developing it if you are serious. Develop your state, develop your political system. Stand today and get people in the House of Representatives who would hear your voice and see if every Nigerian will not let you go. What benefit are you to us? You only leech on us in this country. We from the northern Nigeria can boldly say we have gained something from the southwestern part of Nigeria and the south-south. We collectively, Dangote today is established in northern middle belt of this country in Kogi State, and it's also established in Lagos. That is mutual benefit. When it comes to political movement, we from the north unite. Even when Tinubu's people did not vote him, the northerners vote until Tinubu could find himself in power today. We allow the people from the north, from the south to come to our state and invest freely. We allow them for growth. Of course, we do have conflicts once in a while, but the fact and the statistics of reality is here. Come and see them all over our places. Doing fine, doing well, establishing themselves, houses, schools, and all that. People from the southwest. We provide food. We provide food. We are the leaders in terms of agriculture in this nation. We provide food and we take it to the west. And the south, majority of the food that's consumed in this nation comes from north. I want to ask a question. What is you people's benefit? What is it about you that if you go today, we're going to miss? What is it about you we're going to miss? Is it your importation business that involves so much exploitation? Is that what a Hausa man cannot do or a Yoruba man cannot do? I want to ask you a question. Do you have oil? You don't. It is the South and the Niger Delta area that have oil. And they don't even give us headache like the way you do. They cooperate with us. They do everything with us. What is you people's problem? What you talk about because your resources. What resources do you have? You've been leeching off of everyone. If the Yorubas are talking, if the Niger Deltas are talking, yes, we can hear, but not you guys. What do you have to offer to Nigeria that we cannot offer ourselves? Okay, let's say we feed this country, yes, because of our flat lands, because of our agricultural prowess. You decide, okay, we'll stop feeding, we are going to feed the rest of the country. Can you do that? Can you, for example, do what the Yorubas are doing? Can you give us what the Yorubas are giving us? What are you giving us except what destroys our economy, which is importation? What are you giving us? So what's actually your pride? What is it? Because you have not found somebody who tells you the truth. What is your pride in this country? What is your pride? The fact that you leech off other people? The fact that we allow you to buy lands in our areas? Allow you to establish businesses that you grow out of it? And yet you're even too afraid to go back to your states. And yet you keep making noise every single day. If you are proud of who you are, start making your move now. Start making your move now. It's not about just disturbing everybody with noise and making fun up and down the place. See, it's about to go down. It's getting more serious every day. It's getting more serious every day. If you think you're going to creep up into the division of this country, we've gotten to know who you guys truly are. We're going to deal with it. We might not be able to deal with America fully, but you see those ones at home. You are an assignment we have put in our front.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that sadist of a lady from the north said. People are saying that she's from Kwara State. I believe she's from those Kwara people that have Fulani ancestry. In order for they that have Fulani blood to actualize their evil agenda against Nigeria, they have to be coming online to be speaking against Igbo nation, to be speaking against those people that want Donald Trump to come and save Nigerians. The sadist said that, what are Igbos waiting for to leave Nigeria? Igbos want to leave Nigeria. Not only Igbo people that wants to leave Nigeria, other tribes in the south want to leave Nigeria. So many Yoruba people want to leave Nigeria. Middle Belt people want to leave Nigeria. She said Igbo people should leave their shops and businesses in the north, and that they should come back to the 5 southeast states and develop it. Is the north more developed than the southeast? When it comes to buildings, will you compare the north to the southeast? No. The southeast was single-handedly built by Ndigbo. If you go to Anambra State, it was single-handedly built by Ndigbo. Enugu State, the same thing. Abia State, the same thing. Imo State, the same thing. Ebonyi State, the same thing. Only Igbo people are developing Igbo land. Is Kebbi State more developed than Enugu State? No. Is Borno State developed like Enugu State? No. Which state for northern Nigeria be like Enugu State? Except all these states like Kano State where they try. Just imagine, I am saying that Igbo land is not developed. Is the north more developed than the southeast? No. She said Igbo should get someone in the House of Representatives that will be demanding for the creation of Biafra and see if other Nigerians will not support Ndigbo to leave Nigeria. What is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu doing? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is agitating for Biafra, for Ndigbo to leave this country called Nigeria. But the same federal government of Nigeria held Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in detention because they don't want Igbo people to leave Nigeria. The reason why Nigeria is still in existence is because of Igbo people. Igbo people are the heart of Nigeria. No Igbo, no Nigeria. Remove northern Nigeria from Nigeria and you will see that this country will flourish. What is Nigeria benefiting from the north? The only thing they say is, we have food, we have food. You have food, and the north has the highest number of poor people in Nigeria. Go to the north, Alamajiri everywhere. Small children going about with plates, begging. Why are they not eating that food that they have? All those northern land were not they fertile. Where we say na fertilizer that they use, they plant their crops. What is the southeast benefiting from the north? All you people are saying is, we have food. Which food? Ebonyi State alone can feed the entire southeast and south combined. We Igbo people have food, but these people are spreading that propaganda saying that Ndigbo don't have food, that Ndigbo cannot provide food for Igbo nation. It's just propaganda. It's all lies. You people hate Ndigbo. Allow Ndigbo to go. You must not say Igbo people should put someone in the House of Reps that will be agitating for Biafra. As Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they agitate for Biafra. If to say when I guess when I would just to say, we not as make we come together. Oh. Igbo people to say they won't go. We not like Igbo people. Let them go. Every Igbo speaking community in Nigeria should go. Let them leave Nigeria. That is what you people are supposed to be doing. A senator from the north, a House of Reps member from the north can propose a bill saying that let Ndigbo leave Nigeria. They are tired of this country. If you people propose the bill, Igbo nation will support that bill. If you people think that Ndigbo should bring a House of Reps member to come and be demanding for Biafra, then an Igbo son will come and be representing Biafra agenda in that House of Reps and in the Senate. Since that is what you people want, you hate Ndigbo. Ndigbo are tired of Nigeria. Allow them to go. Problem, you held Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in detention. She said that they, the northerners, can boldly say that they have benefited from southwest and south of Nigeria. You northerners are not benefiting from the south. You are only exploiting the south. You northerners have always claimed that the crude oil in Niger Delta belongs to you people. You are not from here, but you claim that you own our resources. The gold and other resources in the north belongs to the north alone. The southeast and the south are not benefiting from that gold. But the crude oil in the southeast and the south, you people are the major people benefiting from it. And their name is here saying rubbish. You northerners are not benefiting from the southwest. Yoruba people don't like you northerners. It's just because Yoruba people fear a lot. And that their fear is making them to be forming fake friendship with you Northerners. And that is the reason why Yoruba people are sabotaging the Southeast and the South-South agenda. Because they are so afraid of what will come up next. That is Yoruba people for you. So Yoruba people are not benefiting from the North. South-South are not benefiting from the North. Waiting Northerners if they contribute for this Southeast. If not be carry beggars from Northern Nigeria, they fool our streets. If you go under flyover now, Fulani people food there, they beg. People wear hand and leg, not they pay. They road, they beg money. Go to Kaduna, everywhere beggars. Casino, beggars everywhere. You people are suffering from beggar pandemic. And you get mad, they talk rubbish about Southeast. Useless girl. She said that when it comes to political movement, that they in the North unite. And that even when the Southwest did not vote for Tinubu, that they, the Northerners, voted for Tinubu, and that's why Tinubu is in power today. The reason why the North voted for Tinubu is not because they love Tinubu. It's because they don't want an Igbo man to be the president of Nigeria. The North knows that P2B won that election. The choice of the North was Atiku. The reason why the North did not choose Atiku was because waiting P2B and Tinubu take defeat Atiku. It's too much. So Atiku was nowhere to be found. And because the North don't want an Igbo man, P2B, to become the next president of Nigeria, they choose Tinubu over him and make Tinubu the president of Nigeria. So anyone that is saying that the North and the Southwest are united, they are not united. Their only unity is the hate that the both of them have for Igbo nation. They don't love themselves. If the North loves Southwest, why are Northerners killing Yoruba people in Kwara State in the name of jihad, terrorism, Fulani herdsmen, banditry? Kwara State is gone. Yoruba people in Kwara State are crying. Other parts of Yoruba land, Yoruba people are being killed by that same Northerners that they claim that they are one people with the North. She said that the Northerners allowed people all over the country to come and invest in their land. And even when there is conflict at times, that there is evidence to show for it. This shows that Igbo people are building and developing all parts of the country. In the North, Ndigbo have hotels, schools, and other things that they built with their money. Come to the Southeast, show me one better investment where Northerners get for here. Nothing they. Northerners not they build school. They're not they build hotel. They're not they build mansion. All they have here is mats and kettle. They don't buy lands to build and invest. All they do is they go just rent one small land like that where nothing there. They go carry plank and zinc, mark for that place. They go there like 200, 500. They live inside that place. They know they buy chair. They know they buy table. They know they buy television. Nothing. They are just there with their kettle and their mats. Every angle where they smell. You go see how full any person will live for that place. For 20 years, now that place is still there. If he says you are finished, do a young condemn, ride bike and keke finish. Now that place you go sleep. The next day they go work. After making all their money, they take it back to the North. They don't build and invest. So what are we Igbo people benefiting from you Northerners? Nothing. You don't develop our land. Nothing. But if you go all over the North, Igbo people have mansions, businesses, employing everyone there to work and then they live in. The heartbeat of Nigeria is Igbo people. No Igbo, no Nigeria. She said that the North provides food and that the North is the major provider of food in Nigeria. You people should eat your food now. You have food, you don't have resources. Crude oil una not get. No only food una get. Yet hunger won't kill una for not. We get food, we get food, we get food. Yet the North is the highest in poverty in Nigeria. The poorest zone in Nigeria is the North. The Northeast, the Northwest, and North Central. They are the poorest regions in the country. If they get mad, they bring talk, they can't give us. That's why. She asked, what is Nigeria benefiting from Igbo nation? What will Nigeria miss if Igbo people leave Nigeria? Nigeria is benefiting from the commerce of Igbo nation. Nigeria is benefiting from the crude oil and other resources in Igbo land. So Nigeria is benefiting more from Igbo nation than the way Igbo nation is benefiting from Nigeria. Without Nigeria, Ndigbo can survive. Ndigbo don't need Nigeria to survive. We Igbos are good in science and technology. Have you ever heard of Kaduna Made? Have you ever heard of Katsina Made? But you can hear of Aba Made. You can hear of Oka Made. We are not be mates. No angle of life where we say we are not as mates. They're not reach us for anything. Nigeria needs the Igbos, but the Igbos don't need Nigeria. Yes, it's facts. This country don't tire Igbo people. You don't tire everybody. Allow Ndigbo to go. You people not want to leave Ndigbo to go. Why are you people still holding Mazi and the kind in detention? Release him. Then I say, make Igbo nation they go. Make una get peace. That is how people that have sense are supposed to behave. But because of you people have an agenda to claim Igbo land, to claim the resources. Look at what Fulani men are doing all over the country. The agenda of Fulani people is to claim the south and the southeast, to take those crude oil there, to displace the people there, to take the land, and to Islamize Nigeria. These three things are the agenda of Fulani people. Now this part you go tell no say this girl na mumu. What you go just come out for a month now? This girl is an Oswai. Look at what she said there. She said that Igbos don't have crude oil in their land. That the people that have crude oil is the South and Niger Delta. Look at the map of South. Edo State, Delta State, Bayelsa State, River State, Akwa Ibom State, and Cross River States. In Delta State, half of Delta State is Igbo land and territory. And that is Delta North and Nyoma people. The crude oil in Anyoma land is bigger than the crude oil in Urobo land. Ukwani people get more crude oil wells than Urobo people. Go and verify. Crude oil where the Ukwani land is too much. Ukwani land is blessed. We are blessed with crude oil, so much crude oil. And the idiot is here saying that Igbo people don't have crude oil. Can you imagine? Now, in that same South, River State is here. 70% of River State belongs to Igbo people. Ikwere people, Oba people, Ekpeye people, Ndone people, Popo people, and others. The Igbos in River State have so much crude oil in their land. Crude oil de Oba, Ide Ikwere land. Name it. All these places are Igbo speaking territories. And the idiot said that Igbo people don't have crude oil. And as they talk now, another idiot where they hail her, go they support her. Fools appreciating each other, fools hailing each other. Yet they don't know what they talk. Also everywhere. This is how they raise fools all over the country. By spreading propaganda. Remember she said that Igbo nation don't have crude oil. That the people that have crude oil are South and Niger Delta. I've talked about South. Now, over to Niger Delta. This is the map of Niger Delta. Niger Delta consists of Ondo State, Edo State, Delta State, Bayelsa State, River State, Akwa Ibom State, Cross River State, Imo State, and Abia State. Niger Delta are people that have crude oil in their land. They are even proposing to include Anambra State in Niger Delta states. And that's because Anambra State is an oil producing state. Now, in the map of this Niger Delta, Imo State is there. Abia State is there. Delta North and Nyoma land is there. These places are oil producing areas. Imo State has the highest gas reserve in the entire Africa. And the idiot said that Igbo nation don't have crude oil. Do you know how many oil wells that are in Abia State? Do you know how many that are in Imo State? Do you know how many that are in Okwani land? What is this useless girl saying? This girl is an Oswai. Not why she not get sense. Hate have eaten her up. Igbo people don't have crude oil. Anyoma land, Imo State, Abia State, Anambra State, Enugu State have crude oil. And she says saying rubbish. Not that Nigeria get crude oil, no. What are they contributing to Nigeria? Nothing. If not poverty and backwardness, terrorism, banditry, Fulani herdsmen, that is the only thing that northern Nigeria is contributing to Nigeria economy. Killing people everywhere, constituting nuisance. You dey compare the north to the south. If not be that idiot Lugard and Britain where amalgamate north and south, by now we for not the experience all this rubbish wey we dey experience for this country. All the revenue allocation where they share for this country, the money is coming from the south, the southeast, and the southwest. These are the people that are contributing to the economy of Nigeria. She said that what are Igbo people contributing to the economy if not importing goods that they used to exploit Nigerians? Northerners make una import now, una sabi import anything. People that cannot produce, what will they import? Now the things where Igbo people they import, now I think they survive for that north. 70% of importers in Nigeria are Igbo people. Jealousy 1 kilo now. You people una not they produce anything. Nothing una they do. Una they jealous people with better persona. No matter what you people do in life, you can never be like the Igbos. We pass on, we say we pass on. Igbos are not exploiting anyone. We are very good in business. She said that they will not be able to deal with America, but they will deal with those at home. If they tell me say this gun are terrorists, I go believe. The ones where they inside bush, they kill people they. All these ones now, the ones where they online, they defend those terrorists. That is what she's doing. She is against Trump coming to Nigeria. Yet, Nigeria have not provided any solution to stop the killings of Christians and other people in Nigeria. She knows that if Trump comes to Nigeria, that what Trump will do is that Trump will divide Nigeria the way they divided North Korea and South Korea. But these Northerners, they are so afraid because they don't want Nigeria to be divided. They are depending on the crude oil and other resources from the South for survival. They're not going to live on their own because they have nothing to offer. They're not going to offer themselves anything. So they are depending on the unity of Nigeria for survival. That is why you see so many of them crying online. And they know that if Trump comes, that Trump will destroy their jihadist agenda to claim our land, to claim our crude oil and our resources, and to Islamize us. They know that Trump will come and destroy their plan. So that is why they are online crying, fighting, doing everything possible to make sure that Donald Trump does not come to Nigeria. Look at the country that we live it with this set of people, backward people. If you are a Yoruba person, if you are an Urobo person, if you are an Isoko person, if you are an Ijaw person, if you are not a Northerner, and you are supporting this thing that this girl is doing, know it today that the evil agenda that these people have against Igbo nation, you people are also among the people that their agenda will affect. They want to conquer everywhere in Nigeria to take our land and our resources and to Islamize us. So you people that are supporting these people, have it in mind that their evil agenda will also touch you people. So she is not helping you people. She's only trying to promote their evil agenda by programming you people to hate Igbo nation. Yoruba people have lost Kwara State. Kwara State is now a Fulani territory. It's now a jihadist zone. It's now an Islamic zone. It's now a bandit and terrorist zone. It's now a Fulani herdsmen zone. Yoruba people there are being killed on a daily basis. They want to conquer from the north down to the south here. Other tribes in Nigeria, be careful of this girl. This girl is evil. Igbo nation, as far as we are being united, we can never be destroyed. We can never be defeated. Igbo unification is the only thing that will save Igbo nation. Ndigbo must unite. Only unity will save Igbo nation.
Share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as you don't read. My people, no be smart, things they happen. When I don't hear them, as you share the video, make sure they follow all our social media handles so that you will get our updates back to back as they happen, and give this our brother a follow as well.